Hey, my name is Jacqueline and welcome back to another core workout where we will strengthen our abdominals, obliques, and glutes while using plates and a sculpting band. All right, so there will be 3 blocks of work with each move being 45 seconds followed by that 15-second rest. At the end, we will finish with a banded glute challenge. Let's get warm. All right, so if you have your sculpting bands, go ahead and put it above or below your knee and go ahead and lay on your backs. So for this move, you can have 2 plates or just use your body weight. So the first move, we have a seat crunch, lifting up, knees over hips, and then bringing it back down. Now option, feet on the ground and just lifting your upper body. All right, let's get started. 45 seconds, lifting up, brace the core, and then lifting back down. Trying to reach past those hips. So feeling that low back, you want to compress it down to the floor. Remember, take it, you can lift the heels, hold it here, and then bring yourselves back down. A few more seconds. All right, rest, take that recovery. So we're coming into our second move. We have a hip bridge with knee openers. So if you want, you can have that plate right above your tummy or leave it with just body weight. So feet are in line with your hips. And let's get started. Next round, 45 seconds. Bridging up, knee openers, controlling it, and then bringing yourselves back down. So all the way, bring it in the back of your heels. You want to squeeze those glutes when you rise. So lift, slightly open, close, and then lower yourselves back down. So controlling the knees, bring it out, bring it back, slowly lowering down. And rest. All right, we're going back to that first move. This is your last round of this move, 45 seconds. Okay. Go ahead and get set. Grab your plates if you want them. Feet in line with hips. Let's get started. Bring it up and then bring it down. I'm gonna try to lift those shoulders off the floor and then pull your abdominals in right here, feeling that rib to hip connection, and then toe tapping down.
I think that you should have it. Are you gonna buy it? Oh, you should try it. Try it, try it, try it, try it.
Awesome work. And about 10 seconds, then you get that recovery.
I think that you should have it.
All right, rest. We're going into the hip bridge. So plate on your abdominals, feet are in line with your hips. 25 seconds, last little bit of this block. So bridge it up, open the knees, closing them, bringing yourselves back down. Squeeze the glutes, control the open.
Do you want this?
This is strengthening our glutes.
Do you need it?
And then working a little outside of them with this knee opener right here.
Okay.
Awesome work. Try to give me one more. And rest. All right, you can take that band off. We're coming in to our second block. We got 2 new moves. So the first 45 seconds, we got toe taps. So hands on your shoulders, feet outside hips, and we're just gonna take it back and forth. Option, if you're on your knees, you're gonna do a knee lift right here. All right, 45 seconds. Take it to the level you need. So shoulders are out of those ears. Your spine is nice and long.
Okay, first time. You play the game.
And controlling the taps out and bringing them back in.
First time. You play the game.
So firing up the abdominals. And rest. All right, next move. We're taking it into a side hover. So elbow, shoulder, ear, hips are stacked. And we're gonna bring it up and then add an arm circle. So we're gonna circle around and then transition to that next side. All right, when you're ready, 45 seconds, opening up, controlling the arm circle, and then bringing it back down, rotate. So hips are stacked. Now option, you can take it to both feet on the floor, or you can leave it with that bottom knee dropped. Now you want to lift with that bottom oblique right here. Trying to target that muscle we want. And rest. All right, we're going back to that first move. Last 45 seconds of work. Go ahead and roll it over. Knees or toes. Get set. Corkscrew the palm of your hands into the mat. And let's get it started. You want to keep those hips nice and square. You start to feel a little wobbly, drop it to your knees, and then leave it with the knee lift right here. Awesome work. And rest. All right, second part, last little bit. Elbow under your shoulder, hips are stacked. Now take it to the level, knee on the floor, or you can lift with both feet, you choose. Let's get started, 45 seconds. Arm circle, reaching overhead, switching other side. So controlling it, really feeling it in those side sling muscles. Awesome work. And rest. All right, we're coming in to our last main block right here. So 2 new moves, grab your plates, wide stance. We got a side lunge combo, so we're gonna take it in, and then forward twist, 4, 3, 2, 1. 45 seconds, let's go. So we're reaching towards the inside of your knee, and then rotating to the center part of your chest right here. So chest up, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees are tracking toes right here. Elbows up and back, keeping the hips square. So this is activating those rotational muscles. And rest. All right, 1 plate down. We got a wood chop to halo. So we're gonna take it down, up, down, halo, other side. So if you wanna grab that medium plate. All right, 45 seconds right here. So keeping the body front, elbows in that halo. And I want you to utilize your leg muscles right here. Try to stay in that squat the whole time. We should feel this. Firing up rotational muscles right here. And rest. All right, second half. Last time doing these two moves right here. Wide stance, shoulders are back, racing the core, aiming for the inside part of your knee. 45 seconds, let's go. So you wanna make these quick and controlled. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So side to side. Rotating the center part of your chest right here. Awesome. So chest up, controlling it right here. Try to give me one more. Make this your last, and rest. All right, last move, finish up. Wood chop to halo. So shoulders back. So we're gonna step it wide, bring it here, and up, down, and halo. All right, let's get it done. Down, up, down, around. So controlling the plate, keeping the body nice and square. About 10 seconds right here. Give me one more. And rest. All right, we're coming into our band glute challenge. If you have your bands, go ahead and put them on above or below your knee. And if you want, grab that heavier plate. You got 3 moves, 45 seconds each. So first move, you got 4 squat pulses. Toe tap back, toe tap back. All right, let's get set right here. 45 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap it back, tap it back. So chest lifted, squeezing your glutes, controlling the taps. So I call it the glute challenge because our target zone, firing up the glutes right here. Try to stay in that mid-range squat right here. All right, squat walks, let's go. So give me 4 on one side and then take it back. So sit it back, alternating sides right here. So wide stance, feet are stopping right under those hips. Take it wide, take it back. We should feel this. So keeping the chest up. Awesome work. We got one more move. All right, last move. You're gonna take it, reverse lunge, step it in squat, alternate sides. So lunge, narrow squat, lunge, narrow squat. So in a lunge, you're stepping it straight back from your hip. Try not to open it up. Back knee's tracking that toe. And your front knee stays behind that toe. Awesome. Come on. Last few seconds. One more. And done. Awesome work. Go ahead and take that band off. All right, you just completed a full body core workout. Recommend drinking lots of water, getting a good stretch, and I'll see you in the next video.